So the India bloc has already made its agenda clear for the upcoming winter session. Akhilesh Yadav's MP Ram Gopal Yadav has declared that they will not allow the parliament to function if there is no dialogue on the SIR exercise.
कई जगह से ये सूचना मिल रही है, बीएलओ से कहा जा रहा है इन लोगों के वोट मार दीजिए, काट दीजिएगा। ये जो बहराइच में लड़का मरा है, आत्महत्या की है, उससे आपने देखा होगा, सुना है, वो कह रहा है कि एसडीएम वगैरह का है कि सब जो पिछड़े और दलित लोग हैं इनके पीडीए के इनका वोट काटिए, तो उस दबाव से आत्महत्या कर ली। हम इस हाउस को नहीं चलने देंगे अगर एसआईआर पर चर्चा नहीं होगी।
So, Pragya, it's clear what the agenda of the opposition leaders is going to be, and it's going to be the SIR exercise. And Ram Gopal Yadav very clearly saying that the opposition will not allow the parliament to function if there is no discussion on the SIR. Is this just a prelude into what can be expected in the parliament?
Absolutely, Pratibha, and not just Samajwadi Party, but TMC also. All the opposition alike speaking in one voice unanimously saying that we need short duration discussion on an SIR. And this is exactly what they have told, Rajnath Singh, who was presiding over the all-party meeting where 50 leaders from 36 political parties participated. Not just that, they also want, apart from the short duration discussion, when they were told that, election commission doesn't come under the purview of parliament, they said, when you say broader sense, in the broader sense, you can have electoral reform discussion. We are also ready for that. This is the first time that the opposition gets ready on a suggestion of the government. But Mr. Kiran Rijiju, when asked this question, he said that, it is yet to be decided whether we will allow any discussion on electoral reforms also or not, and this needs to be discussed in the BAC meeting which is taking place right now. So after the BAC meeting we'll get more clarity whether there could be a middle ground, middle path as far as SIR is concerned, because opposition will obviously take this opportunity of this discussion on electoral reforms to put their views about SIR and also to protest about SIR and to cast aspersions and blames and accusations on election commission. And government also knows that, and this is probably the reason why government is saying that this is yet to be decided, because we will also finalize the condition under which these electoral debate, if at all it takes place, will take place. So it's a contentious issue right now, but all the political parties are adamant that they want discussion on SIR. According to them, it is also a survival issue and also the issue of existence of the democracy, and this is exactly the reason why they're pushing for this SIR debate.
Okay, all right, but there are rules in place. Yet again, the opposition saying very clearly that we are going to disrupt the proceedings of the parliament. In fact,